Keywords are like textable passwords that you can use to add mobile subscribers to your contact list. They're often used in conjunction with a textable number, such as short code or 10-digit toll-free number. You probably see them all the time in messages like text try to 858585. Every account comes with a free demo keyword you can use to message subscribers. Some plans offer the freedom to choose additional customized keyword options, or you can always purchase an extra keyword individually, whatever makes the most sense for your business. Want to say welcome to the neighborhood to new opt-ins? Automate a response for when a new subscriber joins. We've already set up a default message for you to send, or you can generate one that is uniquely your own. Customers will be able to join your subscriber list with a simple and efficient text-to-join campaign. Just don't keep it a secret. Promote it in your store, office, or on your website, and share it across your social media.
Take your communication strategy to the next level with easy texting.